Have you ever heard of an ancient tale from Babylon about unwavering faith and divine intervention? The story unfolds with three friends, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who stood firmly by their beliefs despite immense pressure. King Nebuchadnezzar demanded everyone worship a massive golden statue, but these three refused, citing loyalty to their god. Furious, the king ordered them thrown into a blazing furnace, intending their demise. But amidst the flames, a miraculous sight, a fourth figure appearing, unharmed alongside them. When the king witnessed this, he called them out, unscathed by fire. This incredible event transformed the king's decree, honoring their resilient faith.